The season has been finished with the forest machines, and if you go into some menus here, you can format the like logging computer. It's a box behind the seat or in a rack against the back wall. And if that has too much stuff going on in it, so it's recommended you format it every now and then. You will lose everything that is active. But after that was done, it had some PRI files problems and production report something I think it stands for. And if you're working against a logging company or have someone looking over the performance of the machine, they a lot of times request that you send those files in so they can compare to what logs have been measured in at the mill, just to see that the machine is performing well. I do not send any files like that in, so yeah, with some help we could, because when I did the formatting and then restarted it had trouble loading the price lists and loading a different price list and turning off that PRI that it would even create them. That solved the issue, and the correct price list I've been running against last few years could be loaded again. So hopefully that is sorted for the future. I need to start formatting it probably after each season would be best, and I will not have these problems again. Total for the season was roughly 1,350 cubic meters logged, and I did want to check up on some of the culverts on the property. Here we have had issues in the past, but it was replaced with a much bigger culvert, so since then there hasn't been trouble. But here there is a section where the stream running through here tends to cause a lot of icing happening. Water starts moving here when it's still cold enough to cause a lot of ice build-up in areas. And getting closer to the actual water flow downstream of the culvert, it's possible to see that there is some movement here and ice build-up. It will probably get worse. I also see I have a leaning spruce here I will need to keep track of. Also brought back the cultivator. Next job it might perform is probably the area with the pine that was clear cut and trees left for seeds, but it needs a bit of work. It lives a rough life, but we just brought the John Deere tractor and hooked it up to the front of the loader with a big shackle. My dad operated the tractor here, and he had to back all the way back home because starting it might have been possible to go forward with it also, but the road is narrow and safer to just reverse all the way back home. More on the work that this one needs in a future video. But everything seems to move. I was worried it was a little stuck in the ground from it being frozen. Not sure how well it can be seen, but there is kind of a metal ring outside of the chain that is kind of a protector, and that one had cracked this summer, and part of it is broken off, so that will need to be addressed. And here it's complete, so that side we're not going to touch, but here sections are even gone. So it's left somewhere out on the field that was worked this past summer. And here I have trouble with another clogged culvert. It's kind of a deep gorge. Well, it's not super deep, but there is quite a lot of material on top of this culvert, and here it's starting to flow over and ice over the road. My dad tells me that this has opened up and allowed water to pass through in the culvert as it should, so that's good. But I was a little worried it would cause a lot of work if that is flushed away. And this place has been causing trouble for the past 5 years. I think we've had issues with this culvert being clogged or iced, formed in it, and the water wants to flow over the road, and ice builds up. But we are slowly getting there. This summer will be both brush cutting work, some planting, cultivating, and try to upgrade some of the roads, make them a little better here and there. Busy times, but at least this winter went very well with the logging. So I'm gonna go on a little vacation for a few weeks soon, and then hopefully summer has arrived and it's just back to work again.